Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we're solving Leetcode daily challenge 1768 merge strings alternately. So it is a really easy problem to solve, and in this problem we'll be given two words, word one and word two, and we have to add the letters from both these words in an alternating order. And it is given that we'll start with word one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the smallest string, like the length of the smallest string, and we'll simply run a loop in that particular range. Okay. So what will we do? For example, let's say over here, smallest, both have same number of elements. So the loop will run in range of 0, 1, and 2. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll declare a new variable, let's say answer or result, whatever you want, and we will just keep on adding. For example, we initiated with 0, right? So in word 1 at index 0 we had a, we added a. In word 2 at index 0 we had b, we added b. Okay, and so on and so forth. So we'll simply run a loop in that. And after running the loop at the end, we will check if any of the element in word one or word two is there or not. Okay. If there will be any existing character, let's say in this example, the smaller length was two. So we had A P B Q and then we appended RS at the end, right? So this is exactly what we'll be doing. So let's directly move to the solution, and I already have written the code for that. Okay, so what we have done over here is we have defined a variable answer, which I'll be returning at the end. And I have already calculated the minimum number of elements from both the words. Okay. And after that, as I told you, like we will simply run a loop in that range and we will keep on adding into the answer. Okay. So let's say we started with 0. So character at index 0 in word 1 got added to answer. Then from word 2, we added the same. And I told you, at the end, while returning the answer, we will check if there was any element left in any of the words. If yes, we will simply add that. Okay, so this is what we are doing over here. So this was it. Let's check out the test cases quickly. And the test cases got accepted. Let's submit for further evaluation. And awesome. So the solution also got accepted, and I would say like we performed decent. We are at 52.90% of some, range. So yeah, thanks a lot guys for watching the video. Stay tuned, upcoming. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.